Welcome to Part 10 of the Guided Tour series. In this section, we will output a system description document, generate an HTML report, and review the standard reports available in Core. A system description document, or SDD, presents your project's primary systems engineering elements in a structured manner for review of your physical and behavior models and related information. For each element appearing in the SDD, key attributes and relationships are listed. User-selected diagram types are also included as appropriate. Typically, an SDD is generated for the system or one of its lower-level components. Only the elements directly or indirectly related to the selected component and its physical hierarchy are included. Alternatively, all systems engineering elements can be included. In the Project Explorer, click the Run Script icon on the toolbar. Use the drop-down arrow to select System Description Document from the list and click OK. Answer Yes to run the report with a primary component. Next, you need to select the primary component in the repository for the report. Select Autolink System in the Candidates pane and click OK. When creating the SDD, you can select the sections that you would like included. Select the sections that you want in your report and click Add. If you want the entire default document, click the Add All button. We will include all the sections. Click Add All and then click OK. At the next prompt, you can select the diagrams you would like included in the report. It's a good idea to select a set of diagrams that communicates well with your target audience so that they can focus on understanding your system rather than learning your representations. In this example, we will select 4 SysML representations: the activity diagram, the sequence diagram, both to communicate the behavioral architecture, and the structure block definition diagram, and the flow internal block diagram, both to communicate the physical architecture. Click OK. In the prompt for a report output file name, type Autolink sdd.rtf. Press Save. Core generates the report as a rich text format file. When completed, the report will automatically open in Microsoft Word for previewing and printing. Take a moment to page through the report. You'll notice there are identifiers for the table of contents, lists of figures, and list of tables. However, the lists are not completed. Press Ctrl-A to select the entire document. Then press F9 to expand the lists. As you page through the report, notice the mixture of both text and diagram outputs. Another report available in Core outputs the contents of the System Design repository in HTML format and generates a home page accessible by anyone with a web browser. To run the report, click the Run Script icon on the toolbar. From the Script drop-down box, select HTML Report and click OK. When prompted to select a location for the report homepage to be saved, you'll first want to create a folder to contain the many files the report will contain. Right-click in the File Name field, select New Folder. Name the folder HTML Report and press Enter. Open the folder and click Save. When prompted to show blank attributes, click No. When prompted to sort the elements, click Yes. When prompted to select the diagram types, click Add All, and then OK. When prompted to select a custom file, click No. When the report generation is complete, your web browser will open, displaying the home page. Click on the function class folder link in the left-hand display. You now see the list of the corresponding elements on the right. From this list, you can select any element to display its property sheet information. Click on Perform Autolink Functions to show the element's information. If your browser gives you a security warning, select Allow Blocked Content. In the relationship portion of the element information, each relationship target is a link to the text view for that element. If the selected function has a diagram associated with it, that view is accessible by selecting a link from the drop-down menu located at the top of the page. From the Element View drop-down menu, select Sequence Diagram. The sequence diagram of the function is now displayed in place of the property sheet. Similar to the diagrams in Core, the items in the diagram are clickable hotspots to that element. Click on Customer Support Center to view the property sheet of that element. You have completed your first system design using Core. Now it's time to save your final model. Select File, Export from the Project Explorer. Select the location and file name and click Save. If you're overwriting an existing version of the file, click Yes. This concludes Part 10 of the guided tour and marks the completion of the series. With this guided tour as a reference, experiment by designing your own system. Remember that Core is far more powerful and flexible than we have shown in this simple example. Experiment with the other features and capabilities to get a better idea of what you can do. In fact, you will discover that with Core, you'll have more time for engineering your system. Make sure you check out our online community at community.vitechcorp.com. This is a place to ask questions about systems engineering, particularly model-based systems engineering, to learn more about applying Core and to share your experiences. Systems engineering should be productive and fun. We believe that using Core is both. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Email me at support@vitechcorp.com.